Hey guys, and welcome to my video. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add background blur in your photograph using a free app called Snapseed. Let's jump right in. So in order to do that, I'm going to turn on Snapseed app first of all, and I already have my photograph ready where you can clearly see at the background, everything is quite visible. Now, you want to add blur to give it a look like you're using a fast prime to give a really beautiful background blur. You quickly go to tool and then click lens blur, and you already have a preset, which is brilliant. Now you can fine tune it, of course, and you can also decide which one you want. Right now you have by default the round background blur, which is quite common. You also have the other choice, which is the long rectangle lines, which is very useful for landscape photography. Also work for portrait, but I personally prefer the round one. Now you already have transition, which is essentially means feathering. I'm going to just add a little bit more feathering to have a nice transition, followed by vignette. I don't necessarily want vignette because I want to make it look as natural as possible. For the same purpose, I don't want to add too much of a blur. For instance, if I go all the way up, it just really look fake, which is essentially fake, but I want to make it as real as possible. So you want to be less than 50. I personally prefer the preset around 30 to 40. We are done. Vignette, I'm going to make it 0 actually. That's all about it. Now I have a little thing in the corner that I want to get rid of, which is not my head, it's my microphone right there. So I'm going to click OK, zoom back, go to crop just a little, and then click OK. That's it. That is very simple, very easy to use, and this app Snapseed has so many other tools that I highly recommend you to use it. Alright, I hope this super quick video was very helpful to you. If so, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.